Welcome to How to Fix South Africa YouTube channel. Subscribe and share. The channel who speaks about solutions for our beloved country. In this first video we will focus on how can South Africans contribute to make their country a better place. South Africans can contribute to making their country a better place in a number of ways. Here are some possible steps that individuals can take. 1. Participate in the democratic process. South Africa is a democracy and citizens have the right to vote and participate in the political process. By staying informed and voting in elections, individuals can help to ensure that their voices are heard and that the government is accountable to the people. 2. Volunteer in their communities. There are many community organizations and NGOs that work to improve the lives of South Africans. Volunteering with these organizations can help to address social and economic challenges and make a positive impact in local communities. 3. Support local businesses. Supporting local businesses can help to create jobs and drive economic growth. By choosing to buy locally produced goods and services, individuals can contribute to the development of their communities. 4. Promote social cohesion. South Africa is a diverse country with many different cultures and traditions. Promoting social cohesion and understanding among different groups can help to create a more harmonious and inclusive society. 5. Protect the environment. South Africa has a rich natural heritage, but the country also faces environmental challenges such as pollution, deforestation, and climate change. Individuals can contribute to protecting the environment by reducing their carbon footprint, recycling, and supporting conservation efforts. 6. Educate themselves and others. Education is a powerful tool for personal and societal development. By educating themselves and others, individuals can help to promote a culture of learning and intellectual curiosity. These are just a few possible ways that South Africans can contribute to making their country a better place. It will require sustained effort and commitment from all individuals to make progress towards a more prosperous and equitable society. Make sure you leave your like for us to get to more people. We count on you to make the change and be an active citizen in the South African society. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.